In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Discord. Now, if you are thinking that that is something that you can do here in the app, then you are absolutely mistaken. What you're going to do is head over to Google, and here in Google, just go ahead and type Discord support, just like what you're seeing here. Go ahead and open that one and choose submit a request over here at the top. Click this one over here and choose appeals and age update requests. Afterwards, you should be able to see these over here. Go ahead and fill them. For example, the email, how can we help? Go ahead and choose update my age information, and then choose to write your phone number if you can, and make sure to enter your country code here as well. Now, date of birth, this is the latest one that you're going to be updating your birth into. And then for the subject, I'm just going to use here update my age information. Now, you have here suggested articles. You can definitely read this one later. Now, down below you have the description. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to write here sample description, but make sure that you are writing and stating your date and basically stating why you want to change it and when you want to change it into. And then hopefully go ahead and click this one over here. Now, this is very much important that you upload your photo ID. Make sure that that photo ID confirms your birth or date of birth. Now, go ahead and click add file right here and upload it from here. Now, once done, go ahead and tap the submit button down below. And there you go. So your request was successfully submitted. Now what you're going to do is just wait for the email that you're going to be receiving from Discord confirming your change of a birth date. And hopefully you will be able to prove that over there. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.